Hey there, YouTube. Just going to do a quick run through the gears and demonstrate my Cobra slip-on that I installed on my 1300 here. Just a quick short little video. So without any further ado, let's hit the road. About 90. Idle it back down to around 70, and it's not too bad at all. Real nice sounding exhaust, got a good deep sound to it. Now this is the stock baffle in the 4-inch Cobra slip-on. Best 1A has a video out where he put a smart parts baffle in. For those of y'all who would want something that's maybe not quite such a deep tone that would kind of become droning after riding for an extended period, you might want to look into something like that. I might look into something like that because I like to take this for rides down to San Antonio, visit the in-laws and the hill country roads down there. So I think they're about $50 for that baffle, and it's couple screws, pops right out, pop the baffle, the new baffle in. It's a real simple process, nothing to be intimidated by or anything like that, but real nice, real good sounding exhaust. So anybody looking to put this on their motorcycle, I know there's a lot of videos out there with demonstrations of the exhaust, but that's just them standing next to the bike and revving it a little bit, or maybe driving off for a moment or two, but you don't really hear it going through all the gears. So anyway, that's the sound of it. It's a good sounding bike. 55 mile an hour and 5th gear, 55, 60, it's real quiet. But if you open up the throttle, roll on it a little bit, it barks up nice and loud. So anybody that's looking to get this, I don't think you'll be disappointed. But if for some reason you think it is a little too loud, there are some baffle options out there for you, so you don't feel like you just wasted your money on an exhaust. So alright, well, that's it for this ride, folks. Like I said, short, quick, point to the video, or to the point video. And until the next video comes around, we'll be seeing y'all. Y'all ride safe. Woohoo! False neutral. After footage blooper.